Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gangina, and I'm super excited to be alive today because the universe appreciates my existence. What a wonderful day. Look at God's creation, God's liking and image. Oh, hello, it's me. Hello. Well, in today's episode, it's all about girls maintenance day. I'm literally going to have my hair done, my lashes installed, my nails done, and my toes done. Like, as you can see, this is my natural hair, uncombed. Uncombed because the volume is something else and imeshikana, so like I can't compete. Nimefanya hivi. Anyway, gonna have my lashes installed, my nails done, and my toes done. Well, let me show you the outfit of the day, then we step outside, and I'll be so sure to record because this is my first time going to this particular salon. I came across it from their TikTok page and I was like, let me come. So let me show you how I look, the outfit of the day, the bag of the day, everything. When we step outside, it's all about surviving. Can you see me, guys? So these jeans, wide legging, this crop top. Anyway, this bag, fashion bag of the day, and then I'm having my iPhone charger and this hoodie because sijui nitarudi saa ngapi. Right now it's noon, so niko sure nitarudi jioni. The thing was, muone the outfit of the day, niko mbali sana. Anyway, yeah, this is how I'm dressed. This is the bag of the day, the bag of the day, and I'm wearing some heels, so umeona hivyo. Ain't sure whether you've seen me, but this is basically the outfit of the day. Simple pants, crop top, hoodie, charger, bag, and everything. So let's go. See ya.
Trav, Nick Connors. Yo, girl. This is your night. I'ma make you feel right. Let's say your heartbreak gone. Now she's so strong. Now she on a higher level, you gotta be on. This is her show, now you gotta perform. If you don't like it, then you better be gone in the morning. She won't roll over. All she got is her. When it's all over, looking at her purse, Fendi all over. She my universe, send me all over. Tell her DJ, bring it back. Got some Dulce, throw it back. And you killing that dress all black. It's always the worst sex once you back. I don't even care, let me be there. I can see your tears get long like your hair. Everybody's singing and they standing on chairs. I only got your song in my ears. I'm singing like,
I see her from across the room and I wanna know her name. I wanna touch her skin real soon. I'll even play her game. She said, oh, come here, baby. If you like what you're seeing, I'ma tell you right now, you better be good to me. Girl, let me take you home tonight. You can use someone to treat you right. I tell you right now, you really look good to me. We go, we flow, your hands in mine. In space and time, our stars collide. This time we're gonna get love right. My good is more than just one night. We glow, turn off the lights. It's time you show your heart to me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gangina, and today I'm super excited because for one, it's on a Monday and I'm here to show you my new hairstyle. Remember, yesterday was girl maintenance day and I got everything done, like damn. Anyways, as for the nails, I settled for this red color, as you can see, in this particular shape. I'm in love. For the hairstyle, it's this simple cornrows, but I have to say one thing. I feel like this side is not matching this side, but anyway, it's only for like 2 weeks and then we're done. For the lashes, I went for cluster lashes. Perfect. Nails, perfect. Let me show you. First, this is the outfit of the day. I'm stepping outside. I'm going to school and drop some parcels like job, stock, school. Remember, I'm a business girl. So support my business. When you see me, you see business. Cloth line closet, okay? Dress for me. Anyway, let me show you my toenails and the outfit of the day. Guys, nowadays I have a tendency of placing my camera anywhere. I wonder what's the work of my tripod. Anyway, this is basically the outfit of the day. This dress, official or casual, it's gonna depend how you're gonna rock it. As for me, it's a official day, so that's why I have these. And then put on some heels or closed shoes. And this is the bag of the day. It's not matching because it's black and white, but anyway, I have some parcels, envelopes to drop at the office, books to carry, so yeah. Ooh. So this is it, outfit of the day. Okay, as you can see, details, gold to match with my earrings. Clacker. Toenails, I went for that color, and I love my toes trimmed, my toenails trimmed. These are my naturals, no tips or anything, just gel. So yeah, that is don't come for me toes, but that's how they look. I just feel like positioning my camera on the tripod so that I can show you my hands, my nails. But anyway, just see from this one, I look so pretty. And the lashes, hide your mans, cause yo. Anyway, just kidding, low. So let me step outside. Say yo. Look at that. I look so pretty, right? I look so pretty. Hey, look at that. Chicky day, Mama Eva. Anyway. Bye. Nails. Category nails. Hey guys, mkoaje? Today is another day in my beautiful home, in my sanctuary, my safest haven on earth, and I'm just here to say hi and catch up with you. Mkoaje, mnafanyaje? What are you up to? How is your day coming along? Are you grateful for life? What are those 5 things you're grateful for today? Personally, a roof over my head, oxygen to be on today's wake up list. Okay, good health, number 5, all the above. Ooh, peep that beauty. Anyway, I'm stepping outside to go get something for lunch because today is my indoor day. Okay, exams are almost exams are almost kickstarting. I mean, they're around the corner, and we have to lock in and revise. So we'll catch up in the afternoon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gangina, and today is on a Thursday, and I'm very grateful for life and everything. I mean, it's such a blessing. So I'm stepping outside. I have 2 errands to run in town. The first one is to pass by my school to get my exam card because the exam is around the corner. I had mentioned that earlier. And then pass by hairstyle appliances store. I wanna go and check on an electronic, so we'll go there with you. I hope so, because I do have this fear of filming in town, but anyway, today I'm gonna try. So let me show you my outfit of the day, then we step out. This is my outfit of the day, so casual by the way. It's a 2-piece, this top and this trouser, and it has a design over here. Sijui kama unaona imekatwa huku, inakaa poa, and then nabeba tu hii handbag, heshima ya kwenda tu shule, nikae kinda official. Hii ndio inawa confuse, kinda official, kinda not official. Anyway, the outfit of the day, I hope you like it. Let's go. We are walking. Leta mkono hapa, watakuona mnani. Sitakuweka uso. Kama mkono hapa. Hivyo. Niko na mtu. Mimi ndio niko na yeye. Mkae mkitua hivyo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gangina, and yeah, I'm back with a bang. Today's video is all about cleaning. Like, today is such a special day. because not only do we have a huge cleaning section, but it's also the last cleaning video for 2025. I mean, the last lap of cleaning in this home for this year. Like, it's been such a crazy year, an amazing year, and we are wrapping it with a bang. Doing the laundry, the dishes, cleaning my water storage containers and having them filled with clean water, bathroom, the washroom, the balconies, the bedroom, everything. Like, we literally tackling everything, okay? Basically everything. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive together into this massive cleaning section. But the thing is, as I'm recording this right now, oh, I have to mention that my cleaning lady is here, Kamakawa. You know, she's of so much help to me. Like, yeah, you need to get her a job, by the way. If you're in need of a cleaning lady, let me know down there in the comment section and I'll hook you up with my, because she's amazing. Anyway, as I record this video, she's already done with the laundry. Like, my clothes are drying, the shoes, she's already cleaned the water storage containers and filled them and cleaned the back balcony, and right now she's making something for lunch. How amazing is that? My work is just to help her with hanging the clothes, and yeah, I'm the one to arrange the water storage containers where they're supposed to be, and maybe clean my bedroom and my living room. As for the rest of the rooms, she's gonna tackle that. Yani, I'm super excited for this. So let me show you what she has done, and let me mention this: she does her work so well. She's amazing. I've heard her since the beginning of this year. Imagine, since January, and today is December. Flo, so ulianza kunifulia nguo this year January. Imagine. So kama mnataka Flo kuja kuwafulia nguo, her name is Florence Flo. So kama mnataka kuja kuwasaidia na kazi ya nyumba na mlipe vizuri, ni mzuri, sawa? Mniambia hapo kwa comment section. Anyway, wacha niamke, let me show you the laundry, what she has already done and what is not yet done, and then I'll show you the after, like baadaye kabisa. Like, I haven't posted in a while, but trust me, I have so many vlogs in store for you and you're gonna love it, because as from today I have all the time to edit, including this cleaning video. Like, I have all the time to edit the previous videos I did before and this one. Like, yeah, stay tuned. Also, let me know how you're doing. Are you coping? God bless you. So this is my laundry. These are 3 lines, and as you can see, nimezifix. Then we come to this side, their tops. Ona tu venye nimezianika. Ona. I don't want to show you my neighborhood, msijue mali naishi. Anyway, hizi ndio nguo zote, like pretty much as you can see huku hadi huko this side. Then we have my dirty shoes over here. They're not dirty, clean shoes zimeanikwa hapa. Unaona, like huko hakuna filters, ni mapupu ya paka. So hii mabati si yangu. I have no need of it being cleaned. Anyway, hizi ndio viatu zilikuwa chafu, my doormat. And as you can see, for the front balcony na window panes na huku hakuja oshwa bado. Nimemwambia she's having a lunch break, like she's making food. Mtamuona tu in a few. So like, unaona nguo ashamaliza. Si mnaona hizo nguo zote? Hizo zote, na hizi ni za side ya mbele peke yake. So akimaliza kukula ataosha huku, anguze huku. Mnaona? Like huku na huku. Yeah. Then me, I'll do my living room. It's so dusty, by the way. For the water containers, they are here very clean and full. Ni kufunika na kupanga huko nyuma. We have the carpet there, it's not yet washed. Yeah. Choo, sink, bathroom. Shuraka ya viatu chafu, hizi ni za kupanguza na ashapanguza, so there's nothing much to be done here. Mungu tu kutaoshwa. Sikuonyeshi kwa video yangu. Tunapika lunch, kitunguu inaungua na tuvyombo tuchafu hapo. Anyway, this is the back balcony. Manguo ndo hizo mingi sana, huko kushaoshwa. Yay! I hope you can see. Shaosha hapa ndo nakuja kupanga mitungi. And my flowers over there. Yeah. Tomorrow must be greater than today. My tomorrow. So guys, that's basically it. So far so good. Everything is going on well. No complaints. You've seen like the laundry. It was a huge pile. Like it was a lot. Umeona hizo kamba zote, kamba 9. Na venye nimeanika nguo nimezi squeeze ndio zitoshe, na bado kuna besheni nyingine moja ya trousers sijaanika na nini pillowcases. I hope umeiona huko nyuma kwa balcony na ingine kando ya mitungi, like ziko mbili by the way. Like the laundry was something else, a lot, na bado kuna carpet. Mpe Flo kazi by the way, anafanyanga kazi poa, anafanyanga kazi na roho moja. So kama unahitaji mtu wa kukufanyia kazi ya nyumba, usafi and all that, but ye huenda kwake kila siku, so yeah, like anakuja anakufanyia kazi, anaenda home, pay her good, take good care of her. I mean, anafanya kazi poa sana, mtapenda. Anyway, so yeah, nataka kukula. I'm shrubbing a lot juu ya njaa, but trust me, nikishiba the shrubbing is gonna be gone. Okay, so yeah, and the next time I'm gonna be back here, it's with an update of everything done, like the final video. I didn't record the whole cleaning process intentionally because it was gonna be a lot. Like it was hectic, my house was in a mess, like hadi nilikuwa naboeka kufanya video ya cleaning. At least sai nguo zimefuliwa, nimepata tu ka strength ka kufanya vitu, zilikuwa kila mahali. Like right now I'm gonna turn the camera and show you handbag zote nimebeba hii wiki yote nikifanya mtihani ziko sitting room. Viatu zote zilikuwa tu hapa, like jeez, kitu ilikuwa inanipea nguvu ni aka kakitu aka kananukia vizuri hapo tu ndo kalikuwa kwa sitting room. So yeah, but anyway, tutaosha huku kila kitu kwa safi. You can see that far end. I brought my study table from the bedroom to the living room, so I've been studying from there, doing my revision from that particular corner. As you can see, handbags on top of it, on the console table, on top, like everywhere, literally everywhere. But anyway, now uchafu, dust, nilikuwa tu naingia kwa nyumba kulala, kusoma, kulala, kuoga, kutoka. Now that I'm done with exams, nyumba itakaa nyumba. Hiki ndicho chakula Flo amepika. This is our lunch, and yeah, of course, a cup, or rather a mug of tea. Yay! Ugali skuma for lunch. Natafuta spelling za ni lunch time. It's lunch time with Florence. It's lunch time.